Introducing the 2022 Volvo XC40 Phev T4 Inscription 5-door auto in stunning blue. This powerful yet fuel-efficient hybrid boasts a 1.5-litre engine, combining petrol power with electric efficiency. With luxurious features like air conditioning, satellite navigation, and ambient lighting, every drive will be a pleasure. Safety is paramount with ABS, lane departure warning, and collision avoidance braking. Stylish touches like chrome package and roof rails make this vehicle stand out from the crowd. Rest assured, this car has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to drive away in the Volvo XC40 Phev T4 Inscription. Call us now or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information.